Welcome to the front of XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here we can see the ringtone volume panel. Now just to change the volume of our device ringtone, we should swipe this volume panel to the left or to the right side with our finger. Also we can do it with the volume buttons here on the right side of the device. You can see that now I press up and down volume button, and also by this way we can just change the volume of the ringtone, and also we can just do it by the third way. Press up or down volume button here, click on the three dots, and by this way just swipe up or to the down this volume panel. We can also change the ringtone volume of our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.